Good afternoon, traders. Good morning. This is Christopher Terry with your weekly video update for the Money Show. What we're looking at is the EURUSD. The Greece situation is out of the way, and we saw basically impulse up off these market lows. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at the prior swing, right, of what we can expect. So we're going to take this first line, going to draw it from the top straight through. If you can see how these prior highs hit, we'll just make this a little bit better there. Okay, and we're also looking at the length of this swing. So let's take a look at that swing just like that. All right, you have to be so exact. And what we're going to do is we're just going to get rid of some of this extra jewelry that we don't need. And we'll start to look at the that swing. So let's just throw an 886, 786 up there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and just throw a parallel line. So basically looking at an A to B, C to D relationship. What we're looking at on the upside is a target of 1046 to 1077. The market looks like it can get up to this area. It's been in a downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, but it looks like it's in the correction mode back up now into this zone. We should see that market try to reach there. So what I'm looking at mostly right now, if I was to take just a line and we map it out. So we have our first rally up, possibly a nice pullback, and then another drive to the upside. So whether it goes faster or it takes its time to go up, we could see the market test this area to the upside. I think we have right now a bottom, which we can say is in temporarily for now, intermediately. I still would like to see a higher low, any kind of retracement down, even if it's a little bit deeper. I still would like to see that, and then a corrective wave back up. So if you look here, 1, 2, 3. All right, same scenario, looking at this roughly one more time. So if we can get that pullback, we have the same scenario up, and then another leg back to the downside eventually. So one step at a time, one swing at a time. And should we get this, we'll end up looking at possibly, let me see if I can point it out to you. Do something like this, okay? Here, then down, and then up again. Oops, then down, and then up again. Something to this effect where we form maybe a Gartley or some kind of a pattern that we can look at. So nothing, even something like that, maybe like a butterfly. Anyway, not trying to get ahead of ourselves, but this is basically what I'm looking at now for the market to retrace down and then push up again into this zone. Not looking at anything else this week, just looking at the EURUSD on how the market had held its lows down here and now has turned up. Greece situation out of the way, a lot of stress out of the way, and that's you could just see the prior swings here, prior swing there, even up here. See these swings, all roughly the same length, percentage basis. So we can expect the same type of move back up. Anyway, my name is Christopher Terry. Have yourself a wonderful, wonderful trading week.